Hey guys, Stan Dale, President of Florida SunCoast BMW. Hope you're doing well. Back on track. Weather's holding out for us, and let me talk about the next 6 weeks of events that are coming up on our calendar, and a lot of things to do. But first, let me get a couple things out of the way. I'll talk about the calendar in today. Heads up, we're looking for a new area governor to take over our Lakeland operation, Lakeland Cars and Coffee at the dealership there, BMW Lakeland dealership, and it's awesome. We've got a great program going on there, and Kyle Jones just done a great job putting that together. So you're stepping into a very successful Cars and Coffee event. I need somebody to head that up. Kyle's a little bit far away now where they live, and so that's becoming a longer trip than probably what's profitable for him and us. And so he's asked, and he's going to stay in until we get a replacement. But looking for a really upbeat person to head up our area governor for that Lakeland area. And just give me a call if you're interested in that. Email me, text me if you know the right person, and we'll get that set up. But you're stepping right into a great program, and we thank Kyle for getting that up and going. Second thing is we have 2 more positions left in the BMW Performance Center event on October the 9th. We leave here on the 9th. It's on the morning of the 10th of October in Greer, South Carolina at the BMW Performance Center. Great opportunity. We've got 28 folks already in it. I need 2 more to fill it up, 2 more, and it'll be done. Has to be a member of the CCA at least to participate in it, and we'll close that deal up. And then we have a full house for the October drive, the Mountain Drive 3. So we will invite the folks that are participating in this BMW Performance Center event to go to the October drive with us, the Mountain Drive with us. So that'll be a lot of fun. Hey, let me tell you about several things that are on the agenda. Here we're coming up on the 20th, this Saturday, Fort Myers Cars and Coffee. On the 3rd, we have Sarasota Cars and Coffee. On the 6th, we have St. Pete Clearwater, and Jeff's taking us to the Acqua Alta. I think that's an Italian restaurant, so it should be a pretty good event, and get out doing that. On the 10th, we have the Jacksonville Cafe and Octane at the Avenues Mall there on the south side of the mall. Big event, so check that out. On the 11th, we have the Naples Cars and Coffee down at the south side of Naples. Really big event. Was there this past time, and just everybody comes out. So it's a great event down in Naples. On the 17th of August, Cars and Coffee Fort Myers, and then we have a drive to Sebring. We have reservations at the Don Jose Mexican restaurant on the water there at Sebring on the lake. We have the back room, the screened-in back room, and just got off the phone with them, and they're excited to have us there. So we have all the room we need. So we can bring people in we can have folks coming in from Naples, Fort Myers, Punta Gorda, Port Charlotte, Sarasota, Tampa, as far away as you want to drive in, and we all meet there for lunch on Saturday, August the 17th. So you'll hear me talk a little bit about that as we get a little bit closer, and we'll launch that from Fort Myers Cars and Coffee, or you can launch from any other location and meet us there. We'll arrive about 11:45 on Saturday morning, have lunch there, and then do our drive back through the back roads. So a lot going on. Check out the website, check out the Facebook account, and I know we've got some folks that are out at Sebring this weekend with SCCA. A lot of things going on, but come out to Fort Myers Cars and Coffee this weekend, and we'll see you there. Get off that sofa. You don't do anything there. Come on out and play with us. Happy motoring, y'all. See you soon. Thanks.